If you learn the basics how to draw Venn diagrams, then you can draw Venn diagrams to any given problem. See, Venn diagrams are represented by shading it by using either horizontal lines or vertical lines or slant lines. Here you have to learn what is union, what is intersection, and what is minus. Union means uniform. Uniform means same lines. You have to draw same lines, either vertical or horizontal or slant. For intersection, this is called intersection. Intersection means when the lines intersect. If you draw lines horizontally, another vertically, then they intersect. Or horizontally and slant, then they will intersect. You can use either this one or this one. For minus, you have to shade this part, first part, and leave the second part. You should not go into the second part. Keeping in mind these basics, you can draw Venn diagrams. See, the universal set is represented by symbol mu or u. Universal set is represented by mu or u and represented by rectangle, and the sets are represented by either circle or oval shape or ellipse. If you want to shade A, representing A, where you will find the letter A, set A in this box, we are shading A either horizontally or vertically. You can use any one. I am using horizontal lines to draw A. Where is A? You have to represent here. Where you are finding these horizontal lines is A. Second one, union. Union means uniform. Uniform means same lines. Draw horizontal lines or vertical lines in both A and B. Same lines should be drawn in A and B, both A and B. Both A and B. What is A union B? This green part, total. Therefore, where you are finding horizontal lines, this represents A union B. Next one, A intersection B. When the lines intersect, if you draw horizontal lines, then vertical or slant, you will find intersecting lines. Therefore, if you draw horizontal lines in A, horizontal lines in A and vertical lines in B, vertical lines in B, where you are finding vertical lines and horizontal lines, that is this mesh part, is representing A intersection B. Another method, direct method of representing A intersection B is, this part is common in both A and B, therefore this is the intersecting part. This is direct method of representing A intersection B. Next one, A minus B. A minus B means you have to shade A, leaving B, shading A. Leaving B means you should not go into the part B. This is A minus B. The shaded part is A minus B. This one, B minus A means in the same way, B minus A means you have to shade B. Don't go into A. This is B minus A, where you are finding horizontal lines. This is B minus A. Next, complement. Complement means complement. This is complement. A complement means this is nothing but mu minus A. In mu, this is universal set mu, you have to leave A. Minus means you have to take first part mu, leaving this A, part A. Therefore, you have to draw in universal set first part you have to draw, and you should not go into the part A. Therefore, you have to draw lines outside A. This is where you are finding horizontal lines outside A, that represents A complement. Then, what is A union B complement? A union B complement means you have to leave A union B. This is mu minus A union B. Complement means mu minus A union B. In mu, universal set, you have to leave A union B. What is A union B here? This green part. Leaving that part, you have to shade. That means you have to draw lines outside A and B. Don't go into A and B also. Draw lines outside. These horizontal lines represents A union B complement. Next, A intersection B complement means you have to take universal set leaving A intersection B. Means you have to leave A intersection B using the second. This one is A intersection B. Leaving this part, you have to shade either vertically or horizontally or slant. You can use any line. Up to this one, you have to draw up to intersection part. This one up to this part. Don't go into intersecting part. Intersection part you should not shade. Where you are finding horizontal lines is A intersection B complement. In the same way, what is A minus B? This is A minus B. See, what is A minus B here? This part. Leaving this blue part, you have to shade. That means you have to shade. Observe. You have to leave this part. Therefore, you have to shade up to this mark. It is like a half moon. You have to shade up to this part. horizontal lines. This represents A minus B whole complement. In the same way, shade this one. B minus A whole complement. What is B minus A? This blue part B minus A. Leaving this part, you have to shade. Now we try for vertical lines. You have to leave this moon shape, that is where you are finding this vertical lines is B minus A whole complement. Next one, if there are three, this is A, B, C, then how to draw? First take the bracket part, that is B union C. You know how to draw B union C. In B and C you have to draw same lines in both. This is B union C, A B union C. With this you have to unite, means B union C, this is B union C. You have to unite A. Unite means same lines should be drawn in A. Therefore, these slant lines part, this total part represents A union B union C. Next, A union B intersection P. Take B intersection C. B intersection C, we are using second mode of drawing.